Airwell Pride here.
Oh my
And
gosh, girl.
oh my god.
Oh my
And
gosh.
in my last video I did.
Oh my gosh.
Would you quit?
I'm running up the stairs slowly.
Yes, I see you.
Some boobies.
And in my last video I did a tutorial on O-rings, which was the mouth movements and then the cough. And in this video I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do just a plain tornado. I'm going to do 3 videos of the tornadoes because there's 3 different ways to do it. But this one I'm going to do the slow, where you just lift your hand real slow. So let's try that. So that was pretty good. I mean, you couldn't see it because it's way over here. I'm going to try it right here now. So the second one was a lot better than the first one. I mean the second tornado, but basically what you want to do is you want to get a big mouthful, not really a mouthful, but you want to inhale quite a bit of this, and then put your head like right down here, blow it out, make sure it's, you know, nice and milky and smooth and stuff, and then you want to take your hand and just do that. I'll do another one for you. That second one wasn't exactly best. But yeah, I'll do step 1, step 2, and step 3. I'll do this because I'm going to have a mouthful. Yeah, 3 steps. There's 3 steps for all of them, but I was going to show you the smooth one, or the slow one first. I'll do one more for you. And that one was still going. It's right here. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to do one of the 3 tornadoes. Or one type of one of the 3. But in the next video, I'll show you how to do it really fast. Like, instead of doing this, I'll show you how to do it like that. And then after that, I'll show you how to do the double helix, which is pretty much doing this. And I know you may already know how to do it, but I still want to make a video on how to do it. So, hope you enjoyed watching me do, a couple tornadoes, and I will see you in my next video.